Well, Heidi ho there, Linda Borgie from Farmyard. It's a movement, have you heard? We are here today in Brooksville, Florida at Mr. G's Food. That is Mr. G. And we are in the process of farming an eggplant factory. And as I promised, I'm going to photograph the whole darn caboozer. My friend Anders, who is a cinematographer, will be here, and he has much better filming skills, so to speak, than I do. And we're going to get it all down pat so that you too can farm whatever. Your front yard, your backyard, your bedroom. Helping you to grow something. So what is the process here? The first process is, let me flip this phone around, is to solarize the area. And I am currently solarizing the area. What does that mean? I put down tarps. I didn't have black ones. They would have been better, but these are blue ones. And everything underneath is not getting any sunlight and heating up, so it's dying. And then when my friend Anders gets here, I will rototill. And then I will spray the biodynamic preparations, which are in the compost tea in a box, using the three-part protocol, which removes glyphosate, removes it from the soil. You're a millennial. You might as well Google that word, glyphosate. It's what's in Roundup. So follow along, kiddos. I will keep you posted, and I'll see you on the flip side. And until then, you go and grow healthy people.